Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of class 9th, this is Bashir Ahmad Malik, your teacher. And as you know, we have been discussing one of the important topics of your English book, that is the tempest first. Tempest, as you know, is a violent storm, and you know this is basically a play drama in which the most important character is Prospero, who is the father of one girl, namely Miranda, and is having who was basically a king, who was basically a Duke of Milan, King of Milan, and later his brother, whom he never doubted, he handed over his kingdom to his brother Antonio, and because his chief aim of life was to get knowledge. But meanwhile, his brother Antonio got greedy, and he made had a conspiracy with the enemies of Prospero, and later on they put him into a damaged ship and to perish in the sea. But God was very much kind to Prospero, and the favorable winds took them to the lonely island uh, where Prospero saw one of the persons, means Ariel, who later on became his faithful servant, who has been imprisoned by one of the witch, namely Sycorax, in the pine tree. Sycorax was basically a witch, एक जादूगरनी थी वो, and Prospero at once released him, and later on Ariel became his faithful servant and was carrying out his master's business. Whatever his master told him to do, he was carrying out, he was doing, he was obeying him willingly. And now today we are going to read about the third scene of this play, that is, "Come, my Ariel, come," said Prospero, waving his magic wand. Ariel appeared. Now Prospero was waving his magic, and he was making the movement of his wand. Wand means stick, which is being used by a person while performing magic tricks. जब कोई जादूगर जो जादुई ट्रिक्स करता है, उसके हाथ में एक लाठी होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ वैंड. So he was waving that wand, and he called on Prospero, Ariel, "Come, Ariel, come. Oh, my dear Ariel, come, appear. Namudar ho jao." And Ariel at once appeared. He got appeared, वहाँ पर नमूदार हो गया, ज़ाहिर हो गया. Here I am, master," he said. He told Prospero, "Master, I am here. I am ready to go wherever you ask me to go." Ariel told Prospero that he is ready to go wherever his master will tell him to go, and he is ready, whatever task would be, he would willingly go and to do whatever he want. So he is ready. Ariel is ready, who is basically a spirit and is performing his duty for his master. Master is basically Prospero. "Have you performed the task I gave you?" Prospero told Ariel that has he performed the task, the work which has been given to him. "Yes, master," Ariel replied. "Yes, master, he has done. I have done everything just as you commanded me." He told Prospero that he has done whatever his master has told him to do. He has done it. He has commanded his command, as whatever command was given to him, he has done it. "I attacked the ship with storm, fire, and thunder." He told his master. Ariel told his master that first of all he attacked the ship with storm, with violent storm. तूफान से मैंने उसको पहले अटैक किया. With fire, and there was a fire and thunder. गरजने की आवाज़ आ रही थी, थंडर की आवाज़ आ रही थी. Till the sailors gave up in despair. So when there was a storm, when I attacked the ship, the sailors inside the ship, they gave up in despair. They surrender and they lose hope. उन्होंने पूरी उम्मीद छोड़ दी कि शायद अब उनको मरना है. Gave up in despair. Gave up means surrender. Despair means losing hope. उम्मीद छोड़ना. Not a single person in the ship kept his head. Means the persons in the ship, they don't keep their head, means they were nervous, they were terrified, horrified when he attacked the ship. The king's son Ferdinand leaped into the sea. The king's son means his brother's son, Prospero's brother's son, Antonio's son. His name was Ferdinand. He leaped into the sea. He jumped into the sea. Leaped means jump. Leaped word leaped is has been drawn from leap, L-E-A-P, leap, kudna, leaped. He leaped into the sea. He jumped into the sea. Now he is sitting sadly in a corner of the island. Now waves have took him to one of the corners of the island, and he is sitting sadly there. He's thinking that his father is drowned. He's thinking about his father Antonio, that he is drowned in the sea. Meanwhile, in another part of the island, the king, your brother, and the others are looking for Ferdinand. And meanwhile, the other sailors who are in the ship, this storm took them to another corner of the island. They are thinking about the Ferdinand, that he might have been drowned in the sea. So who they fear is drowned. As for the ship, I have brought it safely to the harbor. And as far as the ship is concerned, Prospero has brought the ship into the harbor, into the place. Harbor is a place where the ships are being knotted. यहाँ पर ship को बांध कर रखा जाता है. And you have performed your task perfectly, said Prospero. Prospero told this Ariel that, oh my dear Ariel, my dearest, you have done it perfectly. You have performed your duty honestly. Now we have some very important work on our hands. Prospero told once again Ariel that we have some more work to do. We have some more work to do. The time between now and evening is precious for both of us. The time between now and till evening, it's a very valuable time for them. So you have to be very much cautious. You have to now perform one more duty. More work, sir. Let me remind you of the promise you gave me, namely to give me my freedom. And after listening this, the Ariel told his master that, sir, more work. And I just want to remind you that you have promised him, that Prospero has promised Ariel that after completion of this work, he would set him free. He would release him. He would give him his freedom. What? Said Prospero angrily. And Prospero, after listening these words from the Ariel, he became very much furious. He angrily told him, what? How dare you ask for freedom? How dare you? Where from you get the courage to ask me for freedom before the time is out? The time is not yet out, and you would be released after a due course of time. Where would you be but for me? And where would you be? You were imprisoned, and where would you have been if I have not released you from that pine tree? आप कहाँ होते अगर मैं आपको वहाँ उस पाइन ट्री से नहीं निकालता? ये तो आप तो सड़ जाते वहाँ पर उम्र भर. Have I to remind you how I released you from the pine tree? Now I am just reminding you that how he released him from the pine tree. I'm sorry, master. I will obey you willingly, said Ariel. Now after that, after listening from his master, Ariel was ashamed, and he told his master he is sorry for that, and he will obey him willingly, perfectly, honestly, and good, said Prospero. Now Prospero told Ariel that it's very good. After 2 days I will set you free. After two days you will be set free. आपको 2 दिन के बाद मैं आज़ाद कर दूंगा. Meanwhile carry out your task with a good heart. But till then you have to carry out, you have to do your task, you have to do your job perfectly with a good heart, with a very honestly, and with good heart. Then Prospero told him what he should do, and after that Ariel was told whatever he has to do, and away went Ariel happily. And Ariel went happily. वो निकला वहाँ से खुशी खुशी निकला अपना काम करने के लिए to the place, and he went to that place where Ferdinand sat weeping. While Ferdinand was sitting, he was weeping for his father, because he thought that his father Antonio has been drowned in the sea. So this is the first, basically there are the two parts of this drama, and the first part we have completed today, the first part. Until then we came to know that Prospero attacked the ship with the help of the Ariel. एरियल की मदद से उसने शिप पर अटैक किया, और उस पे जो दुश्मन है उसमें उसका जो भतीजा था वहाँ पर फर्डिनांड, वो उसने कूदा इस समंदर के अंदर, और विंड्स लहरों ने उसको एक किनारे पर लाया, और वो रो रहा था वहाँ पर, सोच रहा था कि शायद उसका बाप जो है वो ड्राउन हो चुका है, वो दरिया के अंदर, समंदर के अंदर डूब चुका है. और दरियासना उसके जो बाकी साथी थे, उसके बाप एंटोनियो और जो उसके साथ वो बाकी दुश्मन थे प्रॉस्पेरो के, वो दूसरे कोने पर चले गए, और वो इस फर्डिनांड के बारे में सोच रहे कि शायद वो मर गया. बट वो एरियल ने क्या किया, उसने शिप को हार्बर पर लाया, सेफली हार्बर पर लाया. और इस दौरान वो प्रॉस्पेरो ने उसको बोला कि आपको एक और काम करना है हमें. तो जब एरियल ने ये सुना तो उसने उससे कहा कि ठीक है. उसने कहा कि सर मैं आपको एक बात याद दिलाना चाहता हूँ कि आपने मुझे कहा था कि ये काम ख़त्म होने के बाद मैं आपको रिलीज़ करूँगा, आपको आज़ादी दूँगा, लेकिन अब आपको और काम करने को बोल रहा है. तो इस बात पर प्रॉस्पेरो को बहुत गुस्सा आया, और उसने उसको याद दिलाया कि आप कहाँ होते अगर मैंने आपको यहाँ पर रिलीज़ नहीं किया होता उस पाइन ट्री से. तो वो पेशेमान हो गया एरियल. तो उसने कहा ठीक है सर, वट एवर वो जो काम है मैं खुद करूँगा, मैं हैप्पीली वो काम करूँगा, आप मुझे बताइए मुझे क्या करना होगा. तो इसके बाद एरियल ने प्रॉस्पेरो ने उसको बोला शाबाश, आप ये आखिरी काम जो है 2 दिन के बाद मैं आपको आज़ाद करूँगा, सेट फ्री करूँगा, बट यू हैव टू डू दिस जॉब विथ ऑनेस्टली, विथ गुड हार्ट. और इसके बाद वो निकलता है और फर्डिनांड के पास पहुंच जाता है, जहां पर फर्डिनांड रो रहा होता है. वो सोच रहा था कि मेरा बाप जो है शायद इस समंदर के अंदर डूब चुका है. तो इंशाल्लाह अगले सीन में देखेंगे हम क्या होगा, अब नेक्स्ट क्या होता है. तो मीनवाइल कुछ वर्ड्स यहाँ पर हैं, कुछ डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स हैं, उनका मैंने यहाँ पर माने लिखा है, आप इनको देख लीजिए. टेम्पेस्ट है, वायलेंट स्टॉर्म, वेविंग मीन्स मोमेंट ऑफ सिटिक, वाइंड मीन्स सिटिक, दैट इज़ बीइंग यूज्ड फॉर परफॉर्मिंग मैजिकल ट्रिक्स. टास्क मीन्स वर्क, डिस्पेयर मीन्स लूज होप, उम्मीद छोड़ना, गिव अप मीन्स सरेंडर, सैडली मीन्स अनहैप्पीली, लुकिंग फॉर मीन्स सर्चिंग, प्रीशियस मीन्स वैल्यूबल. एंटोनिम्स कुछ हैं, अपीयर नमूदार होना, डिसअपीयर गायब होना, फ्रीडम आज़ादी, स्लेवरी गुलामी, वीपिंग हो गया रोना, लफिंग हो गया हंसना. तो ये कुछ वर्ड्स हैं. इंशाल्लाह कल हम देखेंगे आगे, इसके कुछ क्वेश्चंस भी होंगे, वो एक्सरसाइज वो भी करेंगे. तो आई थिंक दिस इज़ सफिशिएंट फॉर टुडे. आज ये ड्रामा जो है इसका पहला सीन ख़त्म हो जाता है. तो अगले पार्ट में हम फिर देखेंगे क्या हो रहा है, फर्डिनांड को क्या होगा और किस तरह वो उनका मतलब उनसे बदला लेगा. So I think this is sufficient for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please take care of yourself.